Lord, I come to you in a season of rebuilding. Some things in my life have fallen apart through my own choices, some through pain, and some through battles I never expected to face. But I thank you that even here, in the middle of the mess, I am still breathing, still standing, and still able to begin again. Give me strength for the rebuilding, Lord. When I feel ashamed of how far I have fallen, remind me that your mercy is greater than my mistakes. When I feel tired of trying, give me the courage to keep putting one foot in front of the other. Help me rebuild my habits, my discipline, my peace, and my faith. Help me repair what can be repaired, release what must be left behind, and stop looking back with more regret than wisdom. Teach me to be patient with slow progress. Teach me to value small victories, quiet consistency, and honest effort. Protect me from the old patterns that pulled me down before. Give me wisdom in my decisions, steadiness in my emotions, and strength in the private moments when no one else sees the struggle. If I am rebuilding my health, give me discipline. If I am rebuilding my work, give me focus. If I am rebuilding my heart, give me healing. If I am rebuilding my life, give me endurance. Let this not be a season of pretending, but a season of real change. Build in me a stronger mind, a cleaner heart, and a more faithful spirit. And when I am tempted to quit, remind me that you are not finished with me yet. I place this rebuilding in your hands. Strengthen me, guide me, and help me become the person I was meant to be. Amen.